My closest friend is my friend Norma. She lives close to my mother's house. We met studying in normal school. She is also a teacher like me. On Facebook, I have 337 friends. I never ask for requests from people I have never seen, only people I know. On Instagram, I have 174 followers, but I don't usually chat with anyone on the social network. When I was little, my friend used to be my neighbors, all the children in the block where I live, my cousin and some schoolmates. I have a friend, she's a lawyer. Her name is Lina. Her life seems exciting because she lives in Spain and all the time she's traveling, knowing many places in Europe. She has attended many music festivals and is in very luxurious restaurants.